Hey YouTube, as some of you know, I just got back from Europe not too long ago, and in my time there, I was lucky enough to find a soap in France that triggers sneezes. So, I promised that I would utilize that, so here it goes. I'm taking it out of the wrapper right now. Okay, I'm going to smell it. Oh my god, it tickles almost immediately. Oh, it's gonna make me sneeze. Phew! Oh my gosh. It's tickling, it's tickling. It's not really, it tickles really, really badly, but I guess. Phew! Excuse me. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna sniff it again. Oh my god. Phew! I'm gonna sneeze again. It tickles. Oh my god. My eyes are watering so badly. I'm gonna blow my nose. Hang on a sec. Okay. I can try to sniff it again. Here we go. Oh, it tickles so badly. Phew. Sorry. Oh my god. Phew. Went away again. Ugh. I think that, oh, my eyes are watering. I think that, like, as I'm sneezing, it's making me stuffy, so it's not irritating me as much, so I'm gonna try to blow my nose again. I feel like there's a lot of, like, build up, so sorry if you don't like that. If you do like that, well then, good for you. Okay, I'm gonna sniff it again. Oh my god. Phew! Oh, it's working now. It still tickles really bad. Oh my gosh, my eyes are just so watery right now. I need to blow again. Sorry if you don't like nose blowing. Okay. Wait, my eyes are tearing up really badly. Okay, we'll do one more round. Oh, I'm smelling it. Oh, God. Phew! Oh my gosh. Smell it again. Phew! Oh God. Oh my God, it tickles so badly. It kind of went away. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze again. It's like torturing. Phew! There it is. Okay. I'll blow up my nose one more time and then I will call it a day. Wipe my eyes. It's so crazy. Okay, I'm gonna blow my nose and okay. There we go. Well, that worked well. I will definitely be doing this in the future. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll talk soon. Okay, thanks. Bye.